I am doing prompt 5, which asks how the elastic clause and supremacy clause affect the power of the national government. Both the elastic clause and supremacy clause play important roles in expanding the power of the national government in the United States. The elastic clause grants Congress the power to make laws that are necessary and proper to carry out its enumerated powers. This clause allows the national government to adapt and address new challenges that may arise over time, even if those powers are not explicitly listed in the Constitution. An example of this clause being used in the court is in the Affordable Care Act, which is the ACA. In 2010, the elastic clause was invoked to pass the ACA, which aimed to reform the healthcare system, expand access to healthcare, and regulate the insurance industry. On the other hand, the supremacy clause establishes that the Constitution, federal laws, and treaties are the supreme law of the land. This means that if there is a conflict between federal and state laws, the federal law prevails. It ensures that the national government's authority supersedes that of the states. The supremacy clause has been particularly important in cases of national importance. It ensures that federal protections and standards are upheld, even if they may differ from individual states. For example, in I believe the Civil Rights Act of 1964, it aimed to end segregation and discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, and national origin. The Supremacy Clause ensured that this federal law took precedence over any conflicting state laws. Together, both of these clauses empower the national government to enact laws and policies that are necessary for the functioning of the country as a whole, even if they may encroach on a certain state power. They provide a framework for the federal government to address a wide range of issues and maintain a sense of unity and consistency throughout the whole nation.